concrete encased electrode made of 4AWG copper can be spliced without using exothermic or CAD welding. A split bolt connector can be used for this purpose. A split bolt connector is a metal device consisting of two halves bolted together. It features two threaded holes designed to accommodate the ends of the wires being spliced. To make the connection, the split bolt is placed over the wires, and the bolts are tightened to create a secure mechanical connection. Here's the procedure for splicing with a split bolt. Firstly, cut the concrete encased electrode. Use a hacksaw or grinder to cut the electrode at the desired location. Secondly, strip the insulation. Remove about 1 inch of insulation from each end of the electrode. Thirdly, clean the wires. Use a wire brush to clean the exposed copper wires. Fourthly, insert the wires into the split bolt. Place the split bolt over the exposed conductors. Tighten the bolts until the conductors are securely held. Fifthly, insulate the splice. Wrap the splice with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to protect it. There are several additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, use a high-quality split bolt. Ensure that the split bolt is rated for the size and material of the wire being spliced. Secondly, tighten the bolts properly. Over-tightening can damage the bolts or the conductors. Thirdly, protect the splice from moisture. The splice should be located in a dry environment or protected from moisture by using a water-resistant sealant or enclosure. If necessary, obtain professional assistance. If the person is not comfortable performing this task, contact a licensed electrician. There are several benefits of using a split bolt. Firstly, convenience. Split bolts are easy to use and do not require special equipment or training. Secondly, cost-effectiveness. Split bolts are relatively inexpensive compared to other splicing methods. Thirdly, reliability. Properly installed split bolt connections are secure and reliable. It is important to note that while split bolt connectors can be used to splice concrete encased electrodes, it is essential to check with local codes and regulations to ensure that this method is permitted in the area.